Hello again, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. Today I'm going to talk about easy to grow climbing roses. So sometimes you're really crowded for space in your garden, or you have an ugly fence, or you want to just break up a nice wall, but you love roses. What do? Well, of course, you can look at climbing roses. Now, climbing roses vary in size. Some are small, some are big, some are not the easiest to grow, but I'm going to show you 5 that are easy to grow. As long as you have good draining soil, make sure to give them plenty of food and water, and of course, as always, 6 hours of direct sunlight. That's a key thing for making roses happy. They need that sunshine. So let's look at a few climbing roses that I think are really easy to grow. And again, one last tip, when you're growing roses against a wall or a fence, try to get those canes growing horizontally. It'll help increase your production of blooms. All right, my first and probably my all-time favorite climbing rose is the 4th of July. This is an all-American rose selection. Really amazing colors, the reds, the yellows, the whites. It really goes up and over a trellis nicely. At this particular garden, we put one on either side, and it covered that trellis in only about 2 years. Really, really beautiful garden. Another one is Dublin Bay, really beautiful red. Of course, the original climbing rose, the Lady Banks rose, one of the oldest roses in the world. Really beautiful, easy to grow. And then down one is another fabulous red rose. But probably of all the climbing roses, the easiest one to grow is the climbing Cecile Brunner. This is just a fantastic variation on the original Floribunda rose. Very prolific. This climbing rose, as you see at this particular house, went up to the top story of the house in only 5 years. Really great. Again, lots of sun, lots of water, lots of food. Really, really happy. Notice how it just overwhelmed the bougainvillea that was next to it and planted at the same time, I may add. So this is climbing Cecile Brunner, probably the easiest of all the climbing roses to grow. Great for fences, arbors, houses. Really prolific, bloomer in the spring and the summertime. Oh, that's it. I hope you enjoyed those 5 roses. This is all the time we have for today. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thank you so much for watching, and make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Until next time, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.